Hi, welcome back. So, guys, as part of the previous session, we have created these variables, but we didn't see how exactly they are working on. Right. So, what I'm gonna do right now here is let us use a console.log and let us try to print that information. See, as and when I opened it, see, basically my Copilot is giving me all the suggestions. What are all the variables that I have? It's just prompting me that. So I just pressed a tab and I just accepted it. And in order to execute it, so here is a play button. So I was just clicking on a play. See all the information it got executed successfully and it printed down to the console. So, in the previous session, I forgot to execute it. Hence, I added a console.log and I just printed that whole information to the console. It's up to you whether you can add a console.log at the ending or right after the variable declaration. See here, what I'm doing is console.log, and here I'm defining uh, EMP ID. Okay, I'm defining my EMP ID, and after that, so console.log for my butter visibility, I'm just putting it up as a stars so that this is the first employee ID before I edit that it's being printing down. Okay, so this is the way how exactly, okay, this is the way how exactly we can use these statements and how exactly we can print that whole chunk. See here in the console, you have this 1000.1 followed by the star and followed by this information. Okay, perfectly all right. So this is the way how to execute the variables. Okay, perfectly all right. See you again in the next lecture. Thank you.